Hello and welcome to the first in a series of Expresso tutorials. Every video will cover a different aspect of our Expresso software. This will allow you to become familiar with the different capabilities at your own pace. If you do have any further questions, do get in touch at info@expresso-tech.com. Right, let's begin. So, to start, we go to the URL in the browser and type www.expresso-tech.com. Once you've done this, you'll be taken to our website. This website has extra information if you want to. It has videos, gives you a summary of Expresso, and has a sign up now button in the top right. We're going to click that. When this page opens up, we are going to fill in our personal details. I'm going to put in Kyle for the first name, for the surname, and then I'm going to enter my telephone number. This is our mobile number, and then I'm going to enter my email. As you can see, when I enter the email, Expresso automatically creates a username for me. Next, I move on to the About Your Expresso section, and I'm going to enter my business name. This is going to be AK Media Test. This also fills in the site address for me. The password, it has to be a minimum of 8 characters. I'm just going to go with Expresso to keep it simple. You can choose, of course, whatever you want, as long as it's a minimum of 8 characters. Yep, this is valid. Now, before I start my Expresso, I'm just going to go into the terms and conditions because you have to agree to these before you start. This provides useful aspects such as contact information if you have any trouble getting started with Expresso. Having read and agreed to the terms and conditions, now I'm just going to double check that all my information and details are correct before I start my Expresso. Expresso is now processing my details and it sent me an email. Having received the email from Expresso, I now need to open my email to find the link that they have sent me. Okay, I'm going to go to my Gmail, go to the top, click on Expresso, and then click the link to activate. So now my Expresso is being built. There's a progress menu on the left, and this will fill up as certain aspects of my Expresso are complete. During this process, a selection of images will appear on the right. These highlight the features and possible uses of Expresso. This is a good opportunity to leave the desktop and grab a cup of tea or a snack while you wait for this to finish. Now that my Expresso is complete, Expresso will take me to a login menu, and I'm going to allow Google to access my location. Here I'm going to enter my username or email address. I'm going to enter kyleshurston@gmail.com. Then I'm going to go to the password and just put in Expresso. These are the same details I put in at the beginning. Here we are. Now I'm in my Expresso. There's some tips to get me started and I'm ready to begin. This has been tutorial 1, Getting Your Expresso. The next tutorial covers adding team members, customers, and quoting.